Today we're going to be doing posterior arm exercises for opening your fingers. That's extending those fingers. This routine follows in line with the posterior arm whole hand exercises. Earlier I showed you how to strengthen your posterior forearm muscles and your upper arm muscles for your hand. I explained why it is important to strengthen those muscles. I showed you concentric muscle resistance, which means those muscles are shortening as the resistance is applied. So the resistance is here, you're shortening those muscles and release. And now the concentric muscle resistance strengthening is the muscles are short now, I'm going to resist and push against that, and the muscles are resisting as I'm pushing against the back of that hand. Both types of exercises are very important, and posterior arm exercises are very important for arthritis, that's inflammation of the joints, tendonitis, tennis elbow, and golf elbow. The fingers should be worked into the same routine. To condition the fingers, the resistance must be placed against the back or the posterior of your fingers. You may want to exercise all of your fingers, or in your thumb, or individually, or a couple of fingers together, or all of the fingers. But you'll notice that when I use the hand, I have my full hand on there and lots of resistance because I'm using all of the muscles in that arm. When you're just exercising your fingers, you're only using isolated muscles. Now you're going to use muscles that go up there, and they're just individual muscles that go all the way up through your arm. Some of them go right up to your shoulder, so you won't need as much resistance. So you can use 2 fingers if you want. You can use 3 fingers or 1 finger, depending which finger you're going to exercise. And if you have any injury in any of those fingers, and you may want to be careful, one of them is hurting too much, don't exercise that finger. Okay? You will notice a workload all the way up through that arm when you're doing these exercises. Now, if you feel any sharp pain, you may want to stop. You may want to consult a healthcare professional. Okay, remember again, we're going to do with the fingers, just as we did with your hand, concentric and eccentric exercises. Okay? I'll show you later, in a later video, the routine I use with the resistance band loop. I use that routine of my clients in my classes and at my leader training courses. So for now, just keep active, stay strong, and be happy. I'll see you later. Thanks.